It's also a murder mystery. It's an action thriller. It's a chase. It's a whodunit. And it's three most disparate characters. Mr. Tildai Anandakrishnan, Mr. Joginder Parmar from Jodhpur, Ms. Shalini Pearson Sahai, New York, and one unnamed small town in India. She hails from both of these places at the same time.
It was something completely alien to me. As Diwakar said, you don't expect me to be in a role of an older South Indian IAS officer. And so I was really excited because I knew it would be a challenge. I was scared. I kept telling him, "Yaar, usko Arya Samaji bana dena."
Diwakar has an ability to hurl an actor out of his comfort zone and makes that actor eat 10 bowls of pasta every day, so he becomes a fat, obnoxious pig like Jogi Parmar does. I actually became a glut through this film.
Well, Shalini is young, passionate, and very, very angry. So it was very easy for me to play all that. Came naturally to me. No, I mean, actually it wasn't, because Diwakar is quite a little perfectionist and likes to really push his actors and sort of, you know, I don't know, he just keeps going and doesn't really stop. He has this momentum, and we also shot the film all in one go, so there was a lot of intensity during the film.
The music is about the throbbing drums, the street sound, the grittiness, the power and the violence, and therefore the number Bharat Mata Ki Jai, where the lyrics are Apun kabhi na ab habit lagela, naach magan kaat mutton roj hai khana. So it's about हमको जो करना है, जो हमने कही rule वही, दिन तना नाना Bharat Mata Ki Jai. So this is about the dominant part of politics, and the music reflects that sound and that emotion.
Language पे ज़्यादा काम किया है मैंने. बट मैं ये नहीं कह सकता हूँ कि एक पॉलिटिशियन का रोल मैं कर रहा हूँ तो पॉलिटिशियन क्या, पॉलिटिशियन भी इंसान ही होता है, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. तो उस पर काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी मुझे. कैरेक्टर अगर जैसे दिवाकर ने कहा बहुत ईगोटिस्टिकल है कि उसको गुस्सा आता है, बहुत ठंडा, ठंडा मतलब कि कोल्ड इन द इंग्लिश सेंस, नॉट ठंडा एज इन द हिंदी सेंस, बट इज़ अ वेरी कोल्ड पर्सन. बहुत रिजर्व्ड है, बहुत रिलीजियस भी है. तो ये पॉलिटिशियन भी हो सकता है, ये डायरेक्टर भी हो सकता है, ये कोई आम आदमी भी हो सकता है. तो मैंने बस वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दिवाकर से ली, सुना कि अच्छा दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन ही इज. सबसे बड़ा स्टम्बलिंग ब्लॉक था लैंग्वेज.